Welcome to our comprehensive walkthrough of Keplr wallet. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about this powerful crypto wallet, designed specifically for the Cosmos ecosystem and its interconnected blockchains. Keplr is your ultimate tool for accessing and managing your assets across multiple blockchains with ease. After creating a Keplr wallet, you can connect it to any dApps within the Cosmos ecosystem. Start by visiting the official Keplr website and downloading the extension or app for your preferred platform. Once installed, you'll be guided to set up your wallet securely by creating a strong password and saving your recovery phrase. With your wallet ready, explore its intuitive interface, featuring sections for assets, staking, and governance. The asset section displays your token balances across supported chains, with easy options to send or receive funds. Keplr's staking feature is where you can delegate tokens to a validator and start earning rewards. Navigate to the Staking tab, choose a validator with favorable metrics like uptime and commission rates, and delegate your tokens to begin earning rewards almost instantly. The Governance section allows you to participate in on-chain voting, shaping the future of projects within the Cosmos ecosystem. Additionally, Keplr supports inter-blockchain communication, IBC, making it possible to transfer assets seamlessly between chains. This feature is particularly useful for engaging with various decentralized applications and DeFi projects. You can connect Keplr to popular platforms, unlock farming opportunities, and track your portfolio's growth, all from one wallet.ad integration. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. To enhance security, Keplr allows integration with hardware wallets like Ledger, providing an extra layer of protection for your funds. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, Keplr's user-friendly design and robust features make it a top choice for managing crypto in the Cosmos ecosystem. Sign up now using the link in the description to access Keplr and claim your bonus for new users. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto tutorials and give this video a like to support our content.